Welcome to the Explainer. Let's unlock the Claude Opus 4.7 Pro techniques you need right now.
First up, adaptive thinking. Type UltraThink, and Claude automatically budgets its own brainpower for your prompt. Save this heavy lifting for tricky code or financial models. Skip it for drafting a quick Tuesday email.
For those critical tasks, you've got to use this 5-part prompt framework: role, task, context, constraints, and format.
Want a 50% quality boost? Wrap your complex instructions in XML tags. It's an absolute game changer.
Hate endless revisions? Try reverse prompting. Have Claude ask you 5 clarifying questions before it writes a single word.
Stop repeating yourself. Set your professional context in settings and turn on memory, so Claude learns your style.
You can even upload past work to create custom styles for perfectly toned emails or technical docs.
Search past chats like a personal database, or hit the ghost icon for completely on-track incognito brainstorming.
Juggling massive tasks? Projects isolate your workflows? Just load up to 20 files per chat for crystal clear context.
Okay, artifacts are pure magic. Watch Claude generate interactive dashboards and functional forms right there in your side panel.
Got high-res images? Claude easily reads tiny text on architectural drawings or dissects those massive, scary financial spreadsheets.
Stepping away from the desk? Use the mobile app's microphone to chat with natural-sounding voices like Buttery. Connect Claude to Google Drive or Slack. It drafts replies but safely waits for your explicit green light.
Struggle with Excel? The Office add-in traces complex formulas and builds pivot tables strictly from plain English. Meet Research Mode, your new analyst. It browses the web, synthesizes sources, and delivers fully cited multi-page reports.
Automate repetitive tasks by uploading a skill.md file. Boom! Your custom workflows trigger automatically when you need them.
Developers, listen up. Claude Code is a desktop mode that reads, modifies, and runs commands directly on your codebase.
You control it globally with a Claude.md file, or you can schedule daily automations like morning commit reviews. But hey, always stay in control. Use /plan to review and approve all code changes before execution. Need a dedicated assistant? Cowork is a paid desktop agent that acts literally like an autonomous human employee. It bypasses the cloud entirely. It directly creates, reads, and organizes real files right on your local hard drive.
Imagine this. It automatically sorts your chaotic download folders, processes invoices, and schedules your morning analytics briefings.
The Chrome extension easily navigates authenticated pages, while Claude Design instantly builds stunning front-end prototypes for non-designers.
Claude is no longer just a chatbot. It's your autonomous coworker. So what complex workflow will you automate today?